Welcome back to the channel, guys. While on tours, we're just down the beach on Laganas. Little walk. You see one. It's so shallow. Go all the way out. She's gonna walk all the way to that boat. If you follow all the way around here, you can walk in the sea like you can see if I'm walking in the sea. If you keep walking around, there's the port over there. And you can see, I don't know, if you, I haven't zoomed in, this one doesn't have zoom, but there's people waiting for the boat over there. That's Two-Mei Island. You can get married over there. But she's gone up quite far already. It's only up to her knees. Let's take a walk. It's another scorching day. And today it's about 34 degrees. It's a roasting hot day. It's quite nice down there at the moment. There's quite a little breeze coming off the sea. There's a little taxi boat going out. Mambos. Hello again, mate.
What's up, bro? Have a good day.
Same to you.
Zante Laganas beach is super overdriven.
See another taxi boat just coming back in.
Hello?
There's the Laganas High Road there. Hello. So you've got to walk out. Everyone going to get wet feet. So today we got the, was it pool party today?
Pool party at Roe, then back to the 90s evening at Relax Bar.
So yeah, relax bar tonight, day event, pool party. You got everything.
Good morning.
Thank you, good morning.
Hello. Hello, YouTube.
Yeah, not today.
today.
Thank you. Thank you. Are we going Infinity? Which one do you reckon? Let's go Infinity. We ain't been Infinity all the time. Let's go Infinity. Right, mate. How's it going? You right?
Good.
Yeah, thank you. It's Infinity Beach Bar. Hello.
Okay, mate.
Yeah, you? Good man. So as you can see, look, you go straight down onto the beach. Perfect, they got DJ up there most days. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.